This dance is called R&R, 32 count, 4 walls. It's a beginner level line dance, and there's no tag and no restart for this dance. Let me show you section 1. Starting with your right foot, step right to the side, recover on left, do a right shuffle, side together side. Step left, recover on right, do a sailor step, quarter turn to the left, behind, side, forward. Section 1 with a count. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 2. Walk right and left forward, right, left, forward shuffle with your right, forward shuffle, rock left forward, recover and do a back coaster with the left, back together forward. So section 2 with a count. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 3. Make 2 1/8 pedal turn to your left. 1/8 pedal turn, another 1/8 pedal turn, now facing 6 o'clock. Do a whip to your left with a point. In front, side, behind, point. So section 3 with the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last section, do a cross samba with the left, cross, recover side, and another samba to the left using your right, cross, side rock, recover, and to end it, you will have jazz box, quarter turn to the left, cross, back, quarter, touch. So last section with the count. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's the end of the dance. So let me go through the dance from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you start your wall 2 facing 3 o'clock.